everyone, this is Tiela. I am your relationship coach, and in this video, we are going to talk about breakup and anxious attachment style. If this is your attachment style, toward the end, I will also give you tips on how to handle breakups. And as usual, if you have any questions, you can always contact me directly. Breakups are hard for everyone, but if you have an anxious attachment style, they can feel absolutely overwhelming. Let's talk about why is that and how we can start healing. Anxious attachment often comes from early experiences where love felt inconsistent. So, in adult relationships, there's a deep fear of abandonment. When a breakup happens, it's not just the loss of the person, it triggers old wounds and anxiety about being unlovable or alone. If you're going through this right now, first, your feelings are valid. The pain you're feeling is not sign of weakness, it's your nervous system reacting. What can you do to deal with all this? Tip number one is to regulate your nervous system. You can do some grounding technique like deep breathing and a walk. Tip number two is to limit contact. I know it is tempting to reach out, check their social media, or seek closure, but often this will prolong the pain. You need to give yourself a space to detach emotionally. Tip number three, rebuild security within. Start reconnecting with your sense of self-worth. Take some coaching session, therapy, journaling, and supportive friends can help to remind you that you are enough with or without a relationship. Anxious attachment can make breakup feel like the end of the world, but with gentle care, self-compassion, and support, you can heal and even develop a more secure way to connect in the future relationship. If this resonated with you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need support right now. And if you're ready to go deeper in your healing and want personalized support, I offer one-on-one coaching to help you navigate breakup, attachment wound, and build healthier relationships for the future. You can find the information underneath this video on how to reach me. And do remember that you don't have to do this alone. Thank you for watching.